Okay, it's like the middle of May 2020. I got my garage doors installed. This is the outside view. And then we'll go in and open them and show you how I installed them. JJ. There's JJ and Custodio. Agarre la cámara y vas a filmar.
We're going in. We're going in. Here's the door. Or then we put the truck in here. Now my dad is going to show you how to open them up.
Hazte para atrás, JJ, para que se vea bien. Más para atrás. Enseña toda la puerta. Enseña la puerta de este lado. Y ahora de este lado.
And here's the other side that you'll be see. Oh.
No apagues. So there they are. I got all the hardware and everything on. It took quite a while on the first door because the instructions were kind of confusing. Second door went a lot easier. These are the insulated panel doors. I have the glass on top. I'll come back later and put the opener on because I don't have electricity out here yet. So there they are, two 10-foot by 8-foot garage doors. Took me 2 days to install them. And I don't think it would take me that long if I were to do it again. Learning curve. These are the Coplay or Cloplay, I don't know how you say it, garage doors. I got them from the distributor in Colorado Springs. They give me much better service than I would have got at Home Depot. And I had a good experience with them. So I hope you enjoyed my video on my garage doors.